What's up, everyone? I go by the name of Solo. Welcome to Solo Driven. I hope you consider subscribing if you enjoy the video. Today, we will be fixing my incomplete exhaust on the Hades Cobra. Quick story on that. I believe the original owner swapped out the IRS. Anyway, swapped out the IRS for a solid rear axle. You can no longer buy an exhaust system specifically made for the Cobra, even though this is a Cobra. Now the reason that is because the exhaust has to wrap around, up and over around the solid rear axle, so nothing will hit. With the IRS, it can go straight through, and it looks pretty nice if you ask me. So right now my exhaust system is set up from, I believe, the headers all the way back, and it wraps around, up and around the differential, but it stops there. Now some people may not mind that, but for me it's causing a problem. It's a lot of noise inside, hit a lot of gases that circulate up in here. I want to have the tailpipes running back and into the atmosphere, into the open, the way it should be. We're going to be fixing that today, completing the exhaust system. No more empty hose on the rear bumper, so stick around. Alright, before we get to work, we're gonna come over here to my stepdaughter's school. She's having a little deal here, so we're gonna go over here real quick, and then after that, get to work.
Dad, Mommy! Mommy!
Hopefully my fat doesn't break this chair. What is that? Want any cake?
Oh, eat it!
Do you have any cheesecake?
Yeah!
Do you have milkshakes?
Hey, do I see?
Yes, it's all about me by Kira. Hey, where's your boyfriend Carter at? Where's your boyfriend?
Don't you dare.
Can I see the picture? Did you draw a picture?
I have one sister and one brother. My sister is really my dog.
She said I have one sister and one brother. My sister is really my dog.
I go die.
All right. Let's find Carter.
We're fine.
Alright, so this is a little look under the exhaust that we have here. I'm not sure what brand these mufflers are. If anyone could help me, Triple S. Not sure where they're from, but they sound good. But as you can see, this pipe right here, I'm having trouble with because it sits at an angle and you can see it from the side of the car. And it's giving me trouble down here. I am grinding when I hit like hard bumps and everything. As you can see, this one has no trouble because it's, you know, it's pretty, it makes the clearance, it tilts up. And this one for some reason tilts down. If you're looking at it from the side, you can see this angle even when the car is just on the ground. We do have a bit of differential oil built up. I'm not sure what the deal is with this. We might have to take this cover off soon, replace this, and reseal it and put some brand new oil in here. So this will be getting cleaned up as well too. In a future video, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm actually try this this cleaning process out. Never done it before, and we're gonna see how it works. So this is what we're looking like, which I was explaining to y'all earlier. Empty hose, nothing there. We're gonna make sure that we fill these up with nice exhaust tips, exhaust piping, all custom made, all custom fabricated, and we're gonna make this thing look real nice today.
How's that looking out for you now?
I like that you can see the piping now from under the rear bumper, especially right here. It's exposed in the slant part. I love that. What's the next step? You're gonna weld it all together?
Yeah, weld it out. Once we get the new hangers in, get it reinstalled with the new pipe right there to the mounting point, and then we'll jump over to that side now and try to replicate it and get it close to mirrored as possible for the right side.
Alright, it's a little later during the day, and I forgot to tell y'all where I'm at to begin with in the first place. I'm here at Blacksmith Fabrication, located here in San Antonio, Texas. If you're in the area and you want good quality work, come check these guys out. They do turbo, manifold, intercooler, exhaust, anything and everything, you name it, they can do it. So come check these guys out. If you're in the San Antonio area, we're going to give you guys a cold start, grab, and give you a quick rundown of what we did.
So we got redone stainless, at least back muffled delete exhaust. The previous request was done. I mean, it was a little poorly done in some sake. I don't know a better way to put it, but we did a pretty damn badass job to finish it off again.
Yes,
so,
sir.
This ain't my car, man.
Yeah, it looks great. Thanks again to the guys over here at Blacksmith Fabrication. They did an excellent job. So now the part that y'all been waiting for, a fresh cold start. So, it's the following day. I wasn't able to record the cold start. So, without further ado, let's get that cold start. Alright, now that the engine is warm, let's get some revs in. So there you have it, guys. I gave you a cold start, a couple revs. Now the best part of what I've done with the exhaust is that I no longer have fumes and gases circulating inside the cab. It is going out into the atmosphere the way it was engineered and designed to. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share with me your exhaust setup. What headers do you guys recommend? Because that's the only thing I need to complete as far as the exhaust goes. But that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching.